in our country in a negative perspective, this is what our media is doing. Instead of showing what good things are in this country, they're showing them, okay, look, we are a country which is nothing good, we've got things that we should be ashamed of, and we cannot go ahead. And please tell me this, how many channels are there which are promoting youngsters? If you look abroad, there's so many channels that are giving you opportunities to give in your documentaries. They're showing you programs which are imparting knowledge to you, scientific knowledge, knowledge about the world. They're giving you opportunities to come and show the world what talent you have got. But what is our media doing? Are they giving enough opportunities to youngsters? Apart from that, I guess every one of you would agree to this, that majorly on our programs, political programs in which they're expressing their political thoughts, we see people fighting more rather than expressing what they believe in. Eventually, we end up having no conclusion. What is the point of having such programs? What are we getting from this media? Only a confused state of mind? Once again, there's so many channels which have been controlled by a certain company or a certain person, and they are actually promoting everything in their own way. They are giving the audience a way to think in this perspective that they're limiting our originality. They're telling us, okay, this is what is right and this is what is wrong. And they're making us what we call in Urdu, lakir ka fakir. This is what our media is doing. Thank you.
हमने माहीन का ओपिनियन सुना, अब अलीज़े की बारी है रिबटल की. Alize, please go to the podium and tell us what you think about this.
What channels are you watching again? Because, okay, fine, we're a developing country. I said it earlier as well. तरीक़े में बैठने के लिए टाइम लगता है and टाइम देना पड़ेगा. इतनी जल्दी आप चीज़ें हाथ धो के बैठ जाएंगे तो कुछ भी नहीं मिल सकता दुनिया में. I'm sorry to say that. Secondly, the Air Blue crash. I do admit कि ठीक है, that was insensitive, but that was basically एक आप perspective change करें ना, वो they're making you feel guilty कि ये हमारी गवर्नमेंट की प्रॉब्लम्स की वजह से, ये करप्शन की वजह से, ये गलत पार्ट्स लगाने की वजह से ये हो गया, ताकि लोग इस चीज़ को नोटिस में लें और अब ये नहीं हो. एंड कितने ऐसे केसेस हैं कि जो टीवी पर आया और कोई प्रॉब्लम उन्होंने बताई एंड देन फिर उसके बाद वहाँ पे टीम गई एंड दे सॉल्व दैट प्रॉब्लम. व्हाई डोंट यू लुक एट दैट? थर्डली, यू सेड कि हमारा मीडिया क्या कर रहा है, हमें क्या दिखा रहा है, क्या नहीं दिखा रहा है. आई विल टेल यू व्हाट दे आर डूइंग. इस वक्त फ्लड रिलीफ के लिए सबसे ज़्यादा जो काम कर रहे हैं वो हमारे मीडिया चैनल्स कर रहे हैं, हमारे गवर्नमेंट. थैंक यू.
डिबेट काफ़ी हीटेड हो रही है. हमने इनका पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू भी सुना, इनका भी सुना. अब माहीन, आपने रिबटल करना है अलीज़े की बात का. प्लीज़ गो टू द पोडियम देन.
I would like to tell Alize that I don't have cable at my place and I watch PTV, or more precisely ATV, when the entire Pakistani nation is watching the cable, as we call it, or BBC or CNN. Secondly, even if you want to impart knowledge, or even if you want to tell people that whatever has happened, if it's right or wrong, you don't have to repeat everything again and again. Why do you have to show things that would hurt the emotions or the feelings of the nation, or it would make them feel bad? There's no point of repeating one thing again and again. Okay, you've made your point, that's it. Why do you have to show the same thing twice, thrice, 4 times? You are just annoying the nation. You're just showing them that, okay, we are so insensitive that we don't care. We have to show it again. Okay, so many people died, they're feeling in this way, and it's not about perspective. You're asking a mother what she feels when her daughter has died? What would she say to that? Okay, I'm feeling very sad. Do you think she's going to give you that answer?
मेरे ख्याल में इस शो का मुकाबला काफ़ी सख्त रहा है. दोनों लड़कियों के बीच में जो आर्ग्यूमेंट हुई है वो काफ़ी हीटेड रही है. दोनों ने अपना पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू बताया है. जजेस ने मेरे ख्याल में काफ़ी ज़्यादा टाइम लिया चूज़ करने के लिए. सो विल गो स्ट्रेट टू देम एंड आस्क देम हु द विनर इज़ फॉर टुडेज शो एंड व्हाट दे थॉट ऑफ द एंटायर आर्ग्यूमेंट.
Okay, well, today's winner from the judges panel, both girls did very well indeed. You had good, strong arguments. आपने बहुत मेहनत से और effort से अपनी speeches prepare की, and we could see that there was a good thought process. It was very close, लेकिन the winner has been declared to be Alize.
Congratulations, Alize. Thank you very much, judges, for your opinion, for being here, talking to these youngsters, giving them an opportunity to say what they've wanted to say for a really long time, and they've gotten a chance on this platform to say it. मुबारक हो लीज़े, बहुत बहुत आगे हम सेमीफाइनल्स में जाएंगे, फाइनल्स में जाएंगे. I wish you all the luck. Thank you, Maheen. Thank you, guys. I know you didn't win, लेकिन हौसला नहीं छोड़ना, बात करने का मौका मिलना चाहिए. Thank you very much for watching जवां के आदत शो. अज़्म आलीशान जवां के आदत शो के साथ मैं एक बार फिर अगले हफ्ते आऊँगी नए 4 contestants के साथ. The judges will stay the same. Please don't go anywhere. Stay tuned because this is a very exciting show. We have young people, we have a panel of judges, and of course, I will be here as well. Thank you very much. Khuda Hafiz.